Are you not getting event notifications? Here is a quick fix to never miss an update. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to troubleshoot event notifications not working on event apps. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Another step is check app notifications. Make sure that the notifications are turned on. Simply go to Settings and navigate to Apps. Now search for the Event Apps. Now tap on Notifications and toggle the Notifications button on. Another step is updating the app. Simply go to Play Store and search for the Events app. And if you see any updates, simply update the app. Last but not the least, uninstall and reinstall the app. But if the issue still persists, simply contact the support team for help. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.